Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we found out there's so much retreat to film. We may be at this for several days, but I know you guys love this stuff. And so it's really, it seems like it's going to be bigger than Prospect. What do you think? It seems so, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe so. But anyway, we got a big old neighborhood over here, just the next one down, that we're going to go film. So stay with us. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Red Button Journal. What else did I need to say? That's it, huh? Did I already say that? Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. We're going to go do some retreat videos and drive through the retreat neighborhood. So here we go, people. We're going by the GPS. Well, oops, did that wrong. But we don't know exactly if the GPS is always right. So and what's funny is it shows that we're stopped because we're going so slow.
Yes, you have to go so slow? Yeah.
Well, I don't know. We just go slower when we pass a house over here. Oh, I love those red flowers.
The bougainvillea.
Those are bougainvilleas, my favorite. Everybody must know by now that my favorite are bougainvillea. Ooh, that's a bright colored house.
That house has some solar in it.
Well, I'm talking about this one right here, though. Look at the bright colors. Oh, it's got a big veranda upstairs. Oh, looks like you have to get there by way of a outside staircase, though. But it's just the style, you know. Oh, this is the same. This is very similar, and it's got an outside staircase, but it's got a door up there. Whether that's a bedroom door or an apartment door, I don't know which, but it's a good sized home. And they got air conditioning. Ooh, look at this White House up here.
The road ends.
That White House is pretty. Okay, well, let's see here.
So you're not gonna get this one?
I am, because I'm going to back up here in a minute once I get far enough away from that little white goose there on the ground that I don't want to break. I bet those people wouldn't be very happy with me if I did that. It looks like it's already been broken though, see? Somebody already clipped it.
They should not.
He got his head turned.
Them should not put them to the front. Yeah.
This one's been broken too, look at it.
You shouldn't put them at the front. Yeah. You should put them down to the fence.
Alright, let me back up here so you can see this house over to my right in its full splendor.
And those are deer. Those are reindeers. Reindeer, those two.
Those reindeer? I think they can probably see the house pretty good there. Are those reindeer?
That's what I'm asking.
I don't know, the way I've never seen
one long.
I've never seen a reindeer that had just two horns. It looks almost
ears and just two arms like a cow.
like a goat. It looks like a goat. It's more of a and you know, it's more a goat than anything else. So yeah.
So this is a lot right in here. This person.
Somebody came out to their.
Listen.
Yeah. They saw me backing up and wondered what was going on. Oh, now see, look how those people have their top with their. That's kind of the way I was thinking ours would be, except ours would be wider than that, but it'll be the same. You know, the same idea.
You're gonna go.
Have the same look. You know. Yeah, I'll go up here, turn around, and then
go on.
Yeah.
this is somebody's lot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a nice property there. And this is a nice quiet neighborhood. It's nice homes. I mean, this is really, you know, compared to the retreat that we looked at before on the other video,
dogs.
I think I like this part. I like this one better so far. Yeah. Look at him.
That big one there with the shot. The two of them are the same. Watching.
They look like twins.
Yeah, they're the same.
Maybe one's a boy and one's a girl or something. I don't know.
Yes, I prefer out here.
Yeah, this is very nice. And the landscaping is a little bit nicer too, or a lot nicer, really.
Yeah.
It's just nice. I mean, it's...
Yes,
but everybody has what they can have, you know?
Yeah.
And a lot of times, the people who have a nicer house are going to have a nicer yard because it's in their budget more, you know?
Yeah, you know, that's what I tell you that all the time, that sometimes if you go, like, not on the main, if you turn off at some of those, turn off.
Yes.
You'd like to know some nice houses.
Yeah. See, now they did their roof with the little block on top, but then they had to put all that pipe to drain the water off their roof. So that's not something I want to do. So it makes me inclined to, instead of doing that, just put a put a railing. If I want it to be wider, I'll make it wider on the bottom or something. I don't know. Something we got to think about. I can't wait to come back and look at that yellow house.
Where?
The one there that we're not looking at yet because we haven't come there.
There's camera there.
It looked like a new property. But we'll see it soon enough. It would almost be easier if I would turn around like you normally turn around in America, because then the camera would scan everything.
Look at that kid, this kid, big truck park up there. No, it seems like it's sealing the foundation. It's just there for style or something.
Well, there's quite a few little houses up in this cul-de-sac. There's two there, or is that part of the same house? The blue one over here.
I can't even see.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. Maybe I can see once I get turned here.
Oh, that little truck is in this the mark. It seals.
Yeah.
You look at. So why they put that there?
Maybe. Oh, you know what? It's probably somebody's tomb. It's probably somebody's tomb, sweetie.
At the front of that road there?
No, I don't know.
No, it's not somebody's
No,
tomb.
they wouldn't do it there. Okay. Well, I don't know how it goes. See this house here? This looks like it's practically new. There's no electricity to it yet, see?
I see curtains.
Yeah, there's no electricity going to it yet, see? So, I don't know.
And this is a lot. And see the people have container on the lot here. This is a lot.
There's my bougainvillea.
That's how you house to walk. I don't like that. See, this is a lot too. There's a container here. People, they are in foreign, you know, and like they shut down stuff.
Okay, so we covered that whole little area there. So I want to check here. It's only 10 minutes. So since that's only 10 minutes, we need to go to the next area, which would be on that side.
Oh no, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Let's do one side. Let's just go straight here.
And to do in here, so you could drive inside the stick.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Oh, look at this home over here to the right. Looks like a little castle, you know?
I can see it when I'm on that side.
Oh, yeah, true.
Oh, you can drive here so too.
Yeah, there's all these roads.
That carry you.
It carries to the middle.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot to see here, sweetie. There's a lot to see here. We'll see what we can, and I'll save the map so I know what we've looked at and what we haven't.
Oh, and road, a lot of turn now. This could carry down to the sea.
Yeah, it will. And go along what they call Crystal Drive, which will take us down by the sea. Well, that's some nice homes right here, sweetie. I had no idea there were such nice homes in here. You know, from the road, I mean, they're not bad homes, but boy, I tell you what, this retreat's really got some nice areas. It's so big. But that's the thing, you know.
No, driving on the main road, you know.
I bet there's more people live in Retreat than in Moore Bay.
Local government reform, parish.
You know? Look at the number of houses, and they're all so nice. This is really, really an impressive neighborhood.
Burning out.
That's a pretty white house there. Big houses, big houses. Oh, look at that. It's like two little houses, or maybe the one's a garage. Oh, you know what? I wonder if they have those are little Airbnb houses.
Oh, you can go to the sea there.
Should I just drive down there and do it?
And then you can. Oh, it look private, so you know, see private.
Yeah.
See that sign down there, it's private.
Huh?
It's a private place.
You see a sign down there that says private?
No, I see sun.
Sand?
Some sun like work.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's fencing.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.
It's private.
Yeah, well, look, there's a fence there. That kind of ought to be a clue.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. Yeah.
Whispering Bamboo Cove. Oh, now that's an Airbnb. Oops, might help I put it in drive. Don't really need my blinker on. I just need it in drive. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, that's nice. And then they've got their beach. They got a little gazebo back there. Oh, my goodness, this is a nice... it doesn't really look like an apartment building. It looks more like an Airbnb, don't you think?
It's like a guest house or yeah. Or Airbnb.
Well, it said something on there, Whispering Bamboo or something, or
I think it's a guest house.
Whispering Cove.
I think it's a guest house because see, people like they are in uniform. The lady outside.
Yeah,
uniform,
yeah.
like
She was like doing some.
Yeah, cleaning up.
Friendly people, you know, in St. Thomas. Friendly people. That's something we love about St. Thomas. Well, some of these areas, when I go through, I kind of have an idea the best pathway to take. This one I don't have quite as good idea.
I think that's gonna take you over to Prospect, or is a man that a dwarf man?
No, that's just a child. You got some big glasses on though.
Think you want to dwarf man?
You thought that was a dwarf man, huh? He with those big old sunglasses. He looks so cute.
So it's only one side of the place you see then, because
That's only one side. We haven't even got back to the middle yet.
So we can come here, so maybe separate. Because
Well, see, I'll know by this where we've gone. See.
yeah, the ocean.
Oh, I need to go slow here, because I think people will really like seeing this. Look at it. Look at the different colors of the different colors in the ocean there.
It's twinkling like diamond.
Yeah, twinkling like a diamond. Oh yeah, look at it. It's like a diamond. The reflections off the. Hopefully, I don't have too much sun on my lens. That makes it all foggy looking. You know, I'm going to get some
because there is the main road, so we could.
You know, I'm going to get some little covers to put on the lenses to shade them. But I'm afraid they'll blow off, so I might have to get some. And so we could go on down there too.
So look, so you didn't want to do the other side?
The other side? You mean the other side of the road?
When we come in, yeah. Don't.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, so we can just turn and then, because remember we can come in here, so see the main out there, so we can come down on that other road and come down in here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, let me see what the timing is right now. Okay, I think we probably go back the way we came, and then that'll end this tour, this particular tour. Let me just go up here to turn around though.
Then we can come do the other side.
Because I want to show the cows and stuff how, you know, it's really a nice neighborhood. All of this is nice. All of this just seems so nice to me. And maybe every little part of it won't be the same.
Yeah, but maybe we can go.
Well, let's go back where we
Oh.
do the other side to the road.
Okay.
That way, when we come back again, we can do it a little bit different way. We can just go down and turn a U-turn on each one of these. I was trying to figure out how to best do this, and now I think I know. See, the cattle are lowing, as they say. I don't know what does lowing mean. Is that the sound they make? Oh, I didn't see that big cow over there.
I don't know.
Actually, that one looks like a bull with the big bag on his back, the Brahma. We call those Brahmas in foreign.
Which one is brown?
The one that's under the tree there? That's what we call Brahma in foreign. But here's just private property.
Yes, there are houses. You can see that there was a house there.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. But it could be somebody may be trying to grow fruit trees or anything there. You know, you don't have to put a house, but you can do both.
Yeah.
Well, see, now that looks as many doors as that has. Oh no, those are windows. I take it back. I thought maybe that was going to be one of those Airbnb things, or apartments. But you know, I tell you what, the size. It's quiet. The size of the homes in Jamaica. It'd be so easy to rent out a room, because almost everybody has a big house. But then, you know, Jamaican people have a lot of children too. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty up in there. I should have gone slower. Huh. Oh well.
You catch it.
I caught it. I can change the video to slow-mo during that part if it goes too fast.
The house is waiting. The house is waiting. This is big.
Yeah. Yeah, look how big. Now it's got the little side door, but that could be just because that's the master bedroom. Because you know, a lot of homes in Jamaica, they make the master bedroom have an outside entrance.
Yeah, that's Jamaica.
So that's probably the
Whispering
Bamboo Cove. We'll have to Google that, sweetie, when we get home and check it out. Sometime it might be fun to even go to a place like that. It's not far to go.
Yeah, like we could. Yeah.
Just spend a weekend. Spend a weekend.
Yeah.
And have the beach and go and swim a couple days. I know you don't want to swim, you just want to sunbathe.
I just want to stay there.
But I want to wear a swimming suit and jump in the water, you know, if they got a little beach there.
Don't you have a swimming suit? Yeah, there's beach there.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
There's beach there.
Yeah. Yeah. Big ackee tree right there.
This is a lot right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm impressed. Oh, that house is 2 stories. Their garage is on the 2nd floor.
Okay, so it's big.
Oh, because it drops away a little bit there, see? Oh, look at the fruit trees back in there.
This one is 2.
That's also 2 stories.
Yeah.
And the second story, this one too. This one too.
Yeah, this one too, yeah.
Yeah. This up here where you park is the 2nd floor. And where you enter is the 2nd floor. And then they have another floor down below.
Yeah, so they're big. They're big.
Yes, they're big homes. And if you look back over there, well, we should have been talking about that when we were going by it. So that
this is a nice one.
Well, eventually we'll be able to.
This is a nice
Now,
one.
this roof here, if you take a look on my other video, I was talking about the roofs that keep their color. This roof here, this gray roof, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's the kind that kind of will fade over time.
Well, maybe it's according to the quality that you.
Oh, you know, that's true.
Yeah,
that's
you're
true.
Gonna have some more expensive.
Because look, the red one over there, and then the next one.
There's a van coming. We went down this way.
No.
You're not going there.
Not yet.
Oh, when we
I'm gonna go back to the road, and we'll do a little sign off. I hate to tell people ahead of time I'm going to do a sign off. They might just say, well, I've seen enough. You know?
Because this house is so close to this. No, it's not so close.
No?
This one is big. It seems that the rooms are very big.
See?
The rooms look like they're big.
See, sweetie? That's where we're at right now. So,
this one is
and this has been a pretty good. You know, some of the one video we have a lot to take out, but this one.
Oh, you know, this one is very big, Tom. It's
2 stories too over there.
It's not 2, it's 3. 3 stories. Look.
Oh, because it's 3. Yes, it's a 2-story. We thought it was 2-story when we went by it.
It's 3. It looked like a castle.
You know, I'm tempted to drive back. Before we end the video, let's drive back and take a second look at those houses. Now that we know the ones we just passed that have the extra floor. Now that we know it, we can kind of, you understand what I'm saying? Let's just do that. Let's just do that. Okay, people, if you don't want to see anymore, that's fine. But go watch another one of my videos, because if you just leave me all together, it's going to hurt me. I don't want you to hurt me. So,
yes, it looks like a castle.
Yeah, look at that. It looks like a castle over there. Look at it.
All right, look, see? It's 3 stories.
It's 3 stories.
See?
Oh my goodness. And I don't know why the ground drops down 2 over there. But if you look at the number, now here I don't see so many, but if you get a little further, you're going to see all kinds of fruit trees.
See, you can see
across through there. But look at this castle. Look at this castle.
This is somebody. Must have worked.
Yeah. See, now this, people, this is 3 stories. See? The 2 stories, and then there's one underneath that you don't see. See? Hey, sweetie.
Yes.
That one's 3 stories
yes,
also.
I know. That's what I know.
Yeah, there. There you can maybe see.
So you're going back down here?
I'm gonna just go look at a couple of these real quick, and then we'll tie this one off. Because now that we know these are 3-story,
yeah.
even that.
No,
one,
that is 2.
I mean 2-story, even 2-story there, and this is 2, and then this one here.
It look like a 2 too.
It looks like 2.
Yeah, it's 2. See?
Yeah, it's 2. It's 2.
Mm-hmm.
Let this man pass. Yeah. Boy, look at their nice veranda there on the side. And this one's 2.
That one is 2.
And this one's
This
2.
one
And
is
look
2.
how tall some of their ceilings
Yeah.
must be in some of their
Yeah.
rooms. See.
And this one is the same.
This one's the same. This one's a 2-story. Yeah. And then, is that the end of the 2 stories?
Yeah, this one is 1.
Yeah, that's the end of it. I think that's the end of it. Oh no,
Maybe this one.
this
too.
one might be a 2-story. Yeah,
Yes,
this one's
yes, it's
2-story.
2-story. Yeah, 2-story.
Now, here's
You
why.
see?
Yeah, several of them. See,
Mhm.
and then that one's 2-story.
Yeah.
Now, I wanna get here where you can see.
2-story too.
Look
Two,
down.
2-story.
Yes,
This one over
2-story,
there.
2-story.
Mhm.
Look down over there and look at the fruit trees. The
Oh, look at the
ackee,
fruit.
and there's a bit. There's
Breadfruit.
a
tree.
breadfruit. Thank you. And there's a. Tell me the name. The mango. See the mango back there.
And
Yeah.
If there's no mango on it, so I won't know.
And this one here is. Oh no, this is just 1 story. Yeah,
But this one over here is 2 though.
but this one's 2.
Yeah, that's 2.
It might be.
It could
3.
be 3 too.
I can't see. I can't see down there. I can't see down there to see if it's 2 or 3. But
I'm sure it's 2.
yeah, yeah. Okay, people. Let me go down here and turn around here at the little cove place. Well, thanks for joining us, guys. Let me put our. Let me get a camera on us, and we'll do our little closeout. How does that sound, sweetie? All right, viewers and subscribers, we're going to wrap this one up. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself.
Love up yourself.
Love up yourself. Do everything to yourself that's good and pure. And stay safe and comfy. And
Amen.
amen is right. My Madge. I love it when my Madge is with me. Oh, I got so many things I want to tell my people. I'll have to do it next time. Bless up, everybody. Bless up.
Lots of love, everybody.
Yeah, lots of love. We love y'all.